Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjyot, and today this is the third session. This is the third class of our PPB MCQ series. Okay, so we have started target series for your November JAIIB exam for the subject Principles and Practices of Banking. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to discuss certain MCQs which are important for your exam or the topics which are important from the point of view of your exam. So we are going to discuss the certain questions and then we will have the understanding of the concept of that particular question. Okay, so we are what basically we are going to do in the particular series is that we are going to practice 5 MCQs every day, and in these 5 MCQ we will have to understand the concepts also. Not just we are going to take the questions, read the options and write the which of the following will be the right answer. We have to understand the concepts also. Okay, so let's start today's session. First, let me know, am I audible to all of you, and the PPT is also visible? Are we good to go? And if you are new to the Officers at a 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And also, if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application, because with the help of application, you will be able to find the new batches for your JIB preparation. Okay. So now let's start with the first question, which is related to the money market. As we know, there are two financial market. Before coming to the money market, let's understand what actually the money market matters. Why actually the money market matters? So first of all, we know we have a financial system. Now, what does this financial system means? The system where exchange of funds will be done. So financial system is the system where exchange of funds will be done among the people who have surplus of money and the persons who have deficit of money. So with the help of banks and financial institutions, we try to exchange the funds among these people. Okay, and this financial system has a three components. That is, first is your financial market, second is your financial instrument, or we can call it financial products, and third is your market participants. Third is market participants, right? So these are the three components of financial system. Now, what is financial system? We have already discussed the system in which exchange of funds will be done among the persons who have surplus of money and the persons who have deficit of money. So these are the three components with the help of which we make sure that everybody's requirement regarding the money will be fulfilled. Okay. Now, apart from that, if we talk about the financial market, there are two types of financial market. First is your money market and second is your capital market. Apart from money and capital market, we have debt market also, and we have forex market also. But when it comes to the short term and long term markets, there are two markets, that is money and capital. Okay, money market is regulated by Reserve Bank of India and capital market is regulated by SEBI. Now, when it comes to the question is asking money market is the market where short-term obligations such as dash are bought and sold except. So, question is asking simply that which of the following is not a part of money market or is not a part of money market instruments. So, whenever we are talking about money market, first of all, it is regulated by RBI. It regulated by RBI. Money market is short term market. Short term means less than 1 year, or it is 364 days market. Okay, it is 364 days market. So, what is money market? Money market simply is a market in which short term financial assets are used to raise money from the market. And these short term financial assets are close substitute of money. So, whenever we talk about the liquidity, liquidity is the another synonym about the money, or we can say cash. So, whenever we are talking about the liquidity, we are talking about the cash, we are talking about the money supply in the market. Okay, so the short-term financial assets are used in the money market, which are close substitute of money to raise money from the market. Okay, so which of the following is not a part of money market? So question is simply asking that money market is the market where short-term obligations such as dash are bought and sold except. First is saying treasury bill, second is saying certificate of deposit, third is saying CMB, and fourth is saying shares. So what will be the right answer? Good morning, Sri Rama. Let me know what will be the right answer, A, B, C or D. It's a very simple question, trust me. We are just talking about the name of the money market instrument, that's it. Very simple question. Also, let me know after the option that which of the following option is correct. You have to give answer. And also let me know what does CMB stands for. What is the full form of CMB? It's a part of money market instrument. Okay, Sonam is saying B. Okay, what about rest? Good morning, Sonam. Answer quickly. What will be the right answer? So yesterday morning class was not happened due to some technical issue. So I have taken yesterday's class at in the evening at 8 p.m. Okay, so you will find the session on the Officers at a 24/7 channel. It happened at 8 p.m. tomorrow, yesterday. Okay, so do check the session. That is important. We have discussed certain important concept in that particular session also. Diljit is saying A. No, the right answer is shares. We are talking about except that which of the following is not a part of money market. Question is asking about false statement or false term, or we can say incorrect option it is asking about. Okay, that which of the following is not a part of money market, which cannot be bought or sold in the money market. Treasury bills are for 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. These three types of T-bills will be issued by central government, and all the three instruments, all the three types of treasury bills are a part of money market. Certificate of deposit is also a part of money market from 7 days to 364 days. This is the minimum and maximum duration for certificate of deposit for banks. This is for banks. Okay. If I talk about financial institutions, for financial institution, it is from 1 year to 3 years. Now, this is the exceptional case. Okay. Now, if we talk about CMB, CMB stands for cash management bill. It stands for cash management bill. And this cash management bill has a maturity period that is less than 91 days. Okay, so cash management bill is also a part of money market. It is a part of government securities, which was first introduced in the year 2010. Okay, so this is the right answer. Share is a part of capital market, not a money market. It is a part of capital market, right? Because share market is a long term security, it is a long term instrument to raise money from the market. So right answer will be your D. Correct. Now let's move to the second question, that is asking currently treasury bills are available for a minimum amount of rupees dash and in its multiple. So what is the minimum amount for treasury bills which we can invest in the security? So first of all, if we talk about treasury bill, it is also known as T-bills. It is government security and it is issued by central government. Okay. And this is a zero coupon bond security. Now, what does zero coupon bond security means? It simply means no interest will be paid here. No interest will be there. Apart from interest, you will get discount on face value. Discount on face value will be given in the treasury bills. No interest will be paid in the T-bills. Now, there are three types of treasury bills, that is 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. Okay, and interest will be paid on the maturity only. Before maturity, no amount of money will be given under the treasury bills. So what will be the right answer? Is it 50,000, 20,000, 25,000 or 15,000? Let me know which of the following option is correct. Also, those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session once. Okay. So right answer is 25,000. Minimum investment in treasury bills should be 25,000, and after that multiple of 25,000 should be there. So do remember, treasury bills minimum amount is 25,000. If you want to invest more than 25,000, then you have to do in the multiple of 25,000. If we talk about certificate of deposit and commercial paper, they have a minimum amount of 5 lakh. After that, if they want to raise more money than 5 lakh, then they have to issue in multiple of 5 lakh. Okay. Now let's move to the third question, that is talking about commercial papers. So as per Reserve Bank of India directive, commercial papers can be issued by which of the following? So when we talk about the commercial papers are part of money market. Okay. So when we talk about commercial paper, it was first introduced in the year 1990. Next thing is commercial papers minimum duration is 7 days and maximum duration is 364 days. The minimum amount will be of 5 lakh, and after that multiple of 5 lakh should be there. Multiple of 5 lakhs should be there. Okay. Apart from this, commercial papers are not secured instrument. These are not secured, and they are issued in the form of promissory note. Okay. So if we talk about that, which of the following can issue the commercial paper? First option is saying all India financial institutions. Second is saying scheduled commercial bank. Third is saying companies including NBFCs, and fourth is saying both A and C. So if we talk about commercial paper, commercial papers are issued by corporates, and this is the reason why we are saying that commercial paper is non-secured instrument. Okay. So the right answer will be your D, because it is issued by corporates, not the bank. So scheduled commercial bank will not be the answer. So right answer will be all India financial institution and companies which are including NBFCs also. Now what is NBFCs? Non-banking financial companies. They are limited, similar to your banking sector or banks, but there are many difference between bank and NBFC. So NBFC simply is a company which provide advances and loans in a certain sectors. Okay, they can also accept deposits. So there are two types of NBFC: NBFC deposit and NBFC credit. Okay, and those NBFCs who are taking deposit, they have to follow all the norms of Reserve Bank of India, and there are multiple types of NBFCs are there. Okay, so the right answer will be both A and C. Now let's move to the next question, that is talking about dated securities are long-term government securities and are issued for minimum 1 year and maximum dash years in India at present. If we talk about short-term securities, if we talk about short-term government securities, the right answer will be treasury bills. These are short-term, or cash management bill. These are also short-term. Okay. So treasury bills and cash management bill both are short-term securities of Government of India. But when it comes to the long-term security, we have dated security, that is also known as dated government security. Now, why we are calling it dated government security? Because what is security? Security is simply a piece of paper, a proof that you have given a money to someone or to government. Okay. So when it comes to the dated government security, the maturity date will be mentioned. Let's say I have purchased today for the 10-year duration. Okay, I purchased today the security for 10 years duration. So the date of maturity will be mentioned there, that on 16th of July 2032 this document is going to be mature. So that's why it is known as dated government security. So what is the maximum year? Is it 5 years, 10 years, 30 years, or 20 years? Fourth is C, that is 30 years. Okay, very good. Right answer. So right option is your C, that is 30 years. Okay. Minimum period is 1 year and maximum period will be 30 years. Acha, dated government securities are also used in monetary policy. When we are using market stabilization scheme, we also use dated government security to control money supply from the market. Okay, so in that monetary policy, we use dated government security only for 1 year, not more than 1 year. Right? Now, next question is, what is the maximum period for which money is lent under notice money? So what is the maximum period for which money is lent under the notice money? So notice money is a part of your money market. If we talk about notice money, there is call money also. Call money, notice money, and term money, all the three terms are similar. Okay, only the duration will be different. In call money, notice money, and term money, interbank transaction will happen, and these interbank transaction will be for a limited period of time. If we talk about call money, it is for overnight, that is 1 day. If we talk about term money, it is from 15 to 364 days. But when it comes to the notice money, the maximum period will be 14 days. Okay, so in call money, overnight duration will be there, that is, we can say 1 day duration. In notice money, 2 to 14 days will be there, and in term money, 15 to 364 days will be there. Okay, very good. So right answer will be your C option. Now, if we talk about call money, notice money, term money, interbank transaction will happen here. Now, the rate of interest which is used in the call money, notice money, and term money is your MIBOR, Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate. And earlier it used to be London Interbank Offer Rate also, but it was replaced by alternate reference rate. So these are the rate of interest which we use at the time of call money, notice money, and term money. Okay. So right answer will be C option. Now let me know how many questions answer you have given correct out of 5. What's your score out of 5? Now there are two big announcements for all of you. First of all, let's move to the batches which are useful for your preparation. So you can see bilingual batch and English medium batch both are there. So bilingual batch is starting from 18th of July and English medium batch will start from 25th of July. Okay. So if we talk about bilingual batch or English batch, what you are going to get in these batches? First of all, you will have 140 hours live classes, 60 ebooks, 80 topics wide test, and 24 into 7. These all classes will be available in your portal. Okay. And these two batches are for your November JAIIB exam. If you want individual subjects batch, that is also available on the 24/7 application. So to enroll in this particular batches, you can use a code for a 78% discount, that is Y496. So this is the code which can give you 78% discount on the prices of these batches. Apart from that, we also have a JIB prime test pack in which 50 plus total test will be there. And these are very important to practice or to know that you are preparing in the right direction for your exam. Okay. And to get this test pack series, what you can do, you can use the code Y496S. Okay, to get the test series. Now the announcement is that first of all the bankers who have qualified JIIB and CIIB, very congratulations to all of you. Now we have planned a felicitation ceremony for all the candidates who have qualified the JIB CIB exam on 23rd of July at 12 p.m. on other 24/7 office, that is in Gurugram. So second floor Tower A, Unitech Cyber Park will be your felicitation ceremony venue. So if you are in contact with the candidates, if you are in contact with your colleagues who has been the students of 24/7, do contact them, do let them know that we have prepared or we have planned a felicitation ceremony for all of them. Okay, on 23rd of July. One more information, and that is important for all of you also, because it is about the seminar. So RA 24/7 invites you to the Grand Banking 2022 seminar, in which we are going to discuss in depth. It will be informational, it will be interactive seminar by the industry experts on JIIB CIIB for your 2022 exam. Okay, and this will be also on 23rd of July, 12th of PM at the same venue, Gurugram. Okay, so these are the two big announcements for all of you. So those who know the ex-students of RA 24/7 who prepared their JIB or CIB exam with the help of RA 24/7, do let them know that there is a felicitation ceremony, and also there is seminar which will be helpful for all of you at the same day. Okay, so these are the two information for all of you. Now this is our target series for principles and practices of banking. So do join the target series every day at 7 a.m. in which we are going to discuss MCQ, and as we have done today and yesterday, the discussion of the syllabus, not the syllabus but the concepts but the topics which we are asking in the MCQ. That is important because if you prepare your exam like that, you will be able to cover more terms in the form of MCQ. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you all for joining the session. And also, if you are new to the Office at 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And do share the session with your colleagues and your social media platform where you are linked to them, and also press the like button at the end of the session. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining the session, and stay safe.